Hi Ayush, how was the exam?
It was like moderate, not too difficult and not too easy. Like if you had studied, you can like clear it out for that.
Anything different than last year or everything was the same?
There were basic things that were different. Like there were like a question that was there was a passage particularly which I chose. That was I think you should not choose. It had a different thing only. Like it went off topic in betweens and like it was a tricky question. And the question answers were it was all like you can't guess it correctly if you wanted to. So it was
What
just
ki-
set. No, that's it.
What kind of passages came?
There was one passage on economics. There was a passage on intellectual thinking and something, and there was a philosophical passage, and the fourth one I didn't go for. I did the VA session then. That
And in quants, which module the questions were more?
I didn't check out all the questions, but there were many algebra and arithmetic questions. In fact, I would say that arithmetic questions were pretty basic. Like if you know basic formulas, or even there were 2-3 questions like you just need to just calculate and just go with the flow, and you can do it.
Got it. Okay. Any advice that you want to give to the slot 2 students?
I think our slot was easy, so yours can be a bit difficult, and you can gain more marks. Like it is a benefit if it is difficult because we gaining more marks, still low percentile it will be. So it can be. All the best, but still.
Thank you.
Thank you.